sitwasyon, pantay-pantay po tayo lahat, hindi mabubuo itong programa na itong concert na kami nasin. Huwag yan lang. Kami pa,
Si Paolo. Saan ka lang to?
I want to acknowledge the other artists for other nominations. Tita Regine, Coco Joe, my dad, and I want to acknowledge the one guy who's with me in all 4 shows, G.A. Falyarme. This one's for you. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto lang po namin encourage lahat ng artist dito na huwag po kayong matakot mag-concert. Independent, kaya po lahat. Walang posible. Thank you so much.